Disconnect the negative terminal on the battery using an 8mm wrench. And wiggle the terminal off. Put that to the side. All the O2 sensors are replaced the same way. I'm going to show you on this one because this is the easiest to access. Disconnect the connector. Just a little tab, just push down on the tab and just slide it out. For some of the other O2 sensors, it may be easier to use a socket, an O2 sensor socket. Slides over so you get the wires out there, or even this style. Or you can use a 7/8 wrench or a 22mm wrench. And just loosen it up. And slide it out. Take the new O2 sensor, get the thread started by hand. And get a torque wrench on there if you can, and torque that to 35 foot-pounds. And plug it in. Lock it in place. Connect the negative battery cable. And tighten down the cable. Just snug it up. And make sure it's not loose.